Hello everyone, in this video let me see about RSA algorithm concept. RSA algorithm is an asymmetric key cryptography algorithm, which means it works on different type of keys. One is public key, another one is private key. The public key is used for encryption and it's known to everyone, and the private key is used for decryption, it to be maintained as secret, or keep to maintain as secret at the receiver side. Okay, next see the history of the RSA algorithm. There is three authors. The name is Ronald Rivard and Adi Samir and Leonard Edelman. The first letter of this Ronald is R, and the Adi Samir first letter is S, R S, and Leonard Edelman the letter is A. So RSA algorithm. They developed in the year of 1977. Okay. Next, see about the basic steps. For RSA algorithm, it is used to solve the problem. The first step is calculate n. Here n is nothing but the size of the key. Okay, n equal to p into q. Here p and q are both are integers, and that is nothing. P and q are large prime numbers. Very important point to select the large prime number. Why means you have to maintain the more secure. So we have to select the highest, that is largest prime number p and q. Okay, n for size of the bit. Next is step 2. Calculate pi of n. Here pi of n nothing but Euler-Tochin function. P for already know, p and q for largest prime number. Pi of n equal to p minus 1 and q minus 1. This is for step 2. Next is step 3. Calculate decryption key. D into E concurrent of 1 modulo of pi of n. D for encryption, the decryption key, and E for encryption key. Right? While solve the problem, we know how to calculate D value. Okay, next step 4. Find public key and private key. Public key E comma n. E for encryption, n for size of the key. And private key D for decryption, n for size of the key. Next step, encryption and decryption. For the final step, for the encryption formula is C equal to M to the power of E mod n. Here C for ciphertext, M for plain text, E for encryption key. Mod n, right? N for size of the key. And for the decryption formula, capital N equal to C the power D mod n. This is all about RSA algorithm. Next video, see about the RSA algorithm problems.